Can a new nurse really make six figures in the first year? That's the question a couple of nurses asked me, and today I'm breaking down the exact numbers and 3 simple steps you can take to maximize your income right from the start of your nursing career. After 2 decades of mentoring new and immigrant nurses on their careers and personal finance, let's talk about an inflation context. A new nurse will hit 6 figures in 1 year. And in my head, I thought of this. 6 figures in 2020 is actually like 124,000 in 2025, according to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics. That means a 25% drop in the value of money. So yes, 6 figures today don't stretch as far as they used to. From gas prices to groceries, scrubs to student loans, everything's gotten more expensive. Even nurses making good money are often left wondering, wait a minute, where did my paycheck go? Reality check number 1. If your salary has not increased to keep pace with inflation, you're actually earning less today than you were a few years ago, even if your paycheck number stayed the same. Now, here's the drip of wisdom that we as nurses should always remember or think about. Is your money working as hard as you do, especially on those long night shifts? Because as nurses, we know prevention is always better, especially when it comes to your finances. So hitting a 6-figure in your first year as a new nurse is definitely possible. But your income depends on a few big factors. Number 1, where you live and work. States like California, New York, New Jersey, Massachusetts tend to pay higher wages. Another factor to consider is the type of hospital or facility. Definitely, hospitals compared to nursing homes offer better pay and benefits. When I work in rehab facilities and hospitals, one thing that stood out to me was the difference between medical and health benefits. In nursing homes, you actually pay almost double of what you'd pay in the hospital. Here's something most nurses don't realize. Next to consider is your work schedule. Your night shift, weekends, and holidays comes with extra pay shift differentials. Another thing to consider is your overtime, or if you're picking up extra shift. This is where many nurses really boost their income. If your goal is to really hit that 100K mark, it is doable, but it requires some strategy and smart choices. Here's a straightforward roadmap to help you reach 6 figures your first year as a new nurse. Number 1, pick the right location. Do your homework on where nurse salaries are highest, but higher pay usually comes with a higher cost of living, also income taxes. Like in New York, income taxes would range from 4 to 10% depending on your income bracket, while in Texas, there's 0 income taxes. But keep in mind, Texas relies heavily on sales tax and property taxes. That would be another video and conversation. Second, maximize your shift differentials. Working nights or weekends means you get paid extra per hour that can add thousands to your annual paycheck. Even a $5 per hour differential can add up to $10,000 a year. I also worked night shift before, and when I shifted to days, now that I'm in leadership, I can feel the loss of night differentials. Number 3 to consider to add up to your goal of hitting 6 figures on your first year as a new nurse is to take advantage of overtime. Adding a few extra shifts each month can push your salary over 100K, but be mindful of burnout. Your health, of course, is your most valuable asset, as it takes mindset to do extra shift. And then down the road, if you got at least 2 years of experience, you may consider travel nursing if you are open to moving and meet new experiences. Travel nursing contract often pay a little bit more and travel experiences. If you're more open to flexibility of your schedules, another important thing to look at is your compensation package. Don't just look at the hourly rate, but look at the perks being offered, like tuition reimbursement, percentage of your differentials, your medical, health, and dental benefits. Every bit counts. It's really important to know your numbers. Remember when I was talking about nursing home and the hospitals, if you pay more on your health benefits, it adds up and chips away money from your paycheck. If you find this helpful and you're getting some tips, please support and subscribe. I greatly appreciate that. Now, here's the truth that often gets missed by nurses. A six-figure salary feels good, but that doesn't automatically mean you're wealthy. To actually build wealth, to be intentional with your money from day one. So let's do the most simple, basic strategy that you can do. Number one, open a retirement account. The earlier you start, the more compounding works in your favor. I wish I had done this when I started. Every finance enthusiast would tell you this. It's your time, especially if you start in your 20s. This is the most important personal finance advice I would tell my younger self. Number two, save a percentage of every paycheck. Even 10 to 15% can add up faster than you think. Third, simple step is to automate your savings and investment. Set it with your checking account so your money grows while you sleep. Your nursing job can either just cover your bills or it can be the foundation for your financial freedom and wealth building. The choice is yours. The best asset you have in wealth building is not just your paycheck, it's your time and how you use it. If you want more actual steps on your payday routine, I'll share the video over here. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.